Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So today we will going to publish one more new application in the organization account. So we will going to publish here. As you can see, I already taken the description and the screenshot and package name and everything we have been ready here. So today we will going to publish it. Uh, so just create an app and it's a drinking water. It's a reminder tracker. It's built with the AI. So the package name, it's a organization account, so it will be quite different. No need to add all the code, all those things here. It's a, like an agent, just a simple thing. Just agree to all. Okay, just then create. It's take usually some time in the beginning. Otherwise, it will be not be a big problem. That's it. So it will going to refresh the page and it will going to redirect to you to set up the page and set up here. Provide policy. So we already made our policy here. Just copy and paste. Just go back and app access. No, there is a no functions are there to be logging systems like that. So it's a simple thing. Ads, no, it does not add any ads. So that's the reason I'm saying is a no content ads. This is a content writing. We need to add a mail ID here. There's all type of app. Agree. Just next. No, no, no. Just do everything as a no, no, no only because it's up to you. You just read it and you can able to do it next. According to your whatever the things you have been taking, according to that you need to write for a content writing. Okay. And targeting audience, it's 18 plus. Just next and save it. Just go back. Data safety. I think I have a old data safety, so I need to check it out. Let me try to import the data safety here. Data safety, it's a tester data safety. Okay, let me check. I could not remember that which one is a data safety. So let me check where all things are there or not. Can user can log in? No. It's okay. Just next and what are the data? It's been oh. It's taking on photos and videos. No, we are not taking any photos and videos. Device thing. Uh, okay. The calendar also. I think date and time we are taking as so it's not been like in a calendar also. So just do next. So everything is done here. So just make sure the policy link is right or not. Just make it sure. Then save it. Just go back. It's a government app. No, it's not a government app. Just go back. Financial feature. No, we are not providing any financial feature here right now. Just save it. Just go back. It's not contain any ads, so I will see it as a no. In the future it is there, then again I need to change it. It is a health app. No, it's not a health app. Just save it. Just go back. Just go to the dashboard here. So now this section of the tags and all those things, the category I will just mention as a tool only. Just I will mention as the tool only, so it will be very easy and very convenient also. So I will just find the tool here, just apply it. And the email ID, this is an email ID, so we need to copy and paste here mail ID. Just save it and go to a dashboard. And this is the next part to set up our images and all those things. So short description, I'm just going to copy it here, small description, short description, not a small, sorry, it's a short description. And full description also is there. and app icon. So drinking water. So here is our app icon. The Google did this is a one good thing the Google has did, that we no need to edit all those things. So here only we can able to crop and everything. No need to go manually edit, and we have to do just crop it here. So we can able to check easily, we can able to crop it, because everything nowadays we has been generating from AI only. So it's really a good thing. Really thankful for the Google, because of this it saved my so much time for that. So that's a reason. So just add it, and feature image also. Everything is generated from the AI only. So that's a reason. It's very easy, and I really request you people to learn the AI, how you can able to optimize your apps or games or whatever the flow of your works. So just optimize it with your AI. It will very easily and very really friendly also, and it's a time saving also for you. So just I request you to please learn the AI. Soon we will going to launch the AI courses also. We are not thinking about the courses, because so many people says these courses are scores. So I will try to make it a video for you, so it will be very easy to understand of AI and everything. So the people can able to learn about the AI, how to utilize that, and how you can able to build the code. If you really like it, if you really want those kind of a video, let me know. So I will going to make it those kind of a stuff. Okay. And we uploaded all the images. Now is a part of the app publishing, because it's the organization account. We don't require of the 12 testers here. So what we going to do, create and publish, select the region here. So we will going to select the countries here. So I will select for all countries and save it. Just create it new. Now upload the ABB file. While it's been uploading, we will write it here, short description of the app, copy, and here release section we will going to paste it. So it will be very easy. While been uploading that, it will be fine. It's take couple of minutes, like in 1 or 2 minutes. That's it's not going to take more time if it is your app is so big, like it is in a game, like in a GB sizes. So you need to compress to that, then you have to do it that. So let's say how much time it is going to take. Usually it's take like in a 1 minute only, not more than that. So see, it's been done. So just do it next. So there is a no warning here. Just save it. Go on overview. Just do it all. Publish overview. Send the changes for a review. So we have sent our app for a review. So it's in review right now. Just refresh. If you have any doubt, just refresh page. So like this we can able to publish your application. If you have any doubts or any concern, or you are facing any problem, and soon we have been launching one more thing, organization account. If you need your organization with the one app live and everything, for a sale or buy, you can contact to us. So and whoever required the console to be make the dunce number, with a dunce number and organization account to build completely, and verify with one app live, also we are going to do with a reasonable price. If you required, please let us know. Thank you so much.